Welcome to English Listening Channel.
Hello everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Today's title is Downtown Vocabulary in New York City. In this video, you will follow a slow and easy conversation between two friends walking around downtown New York. Don't worry, everything is spoken slowly and clearly, so please relax and enjoy listening. In this story, you'll learn simple but very useful words and expressions like downtown, grab coffee, and phrases you often hear in New York City. Before we start, I have a small question for you. Please listen carefully and try to find the answer. Today's question: what does downtown mean in New York City? The answer is mentioned clearly in the conversation. If you find it, please write your answer in English in the comments section. By listening carefully and writing your answer in English, you can improve your English step by step. All right, are you ready? Let's start the video.
Sam, this is my first time in New York City.
Welcome to New York, Ellie. I'm so happy you're here.
Thank you for meeting me today. I'm so excited to be here.
Of course, I'm glad I could take the day off work.
Everything looks amazing. The buildings are so tall.
Yes, New York has many tall buildings. Do you like them?
I love them. I feel like I'm in a movie.
Many people say that. New York City is a special place.
It really is. So, where are we going today?
Today, let's walk around downtown.
Downtown? What is downtown?
Downtown is the city center. In New York, it means the southern part of Manhattan.
Oh, I see. So, downtown is the city center.
Yes, exactly. Downtown New York has many things to see.
What kind of things can we see in downtown?
Many things. Famous places, good food, interesting streets.
That sounds wonderful. I want to see everything.
We can't see everything today, but we can walk around and enjoy.
That sounds great. Let's walk around downtown together.
Okay, follow me. This area is called SoHo.
SoHo? What does SoHo mean?
It means south of Houston Street. Houston is a street name here.
SoHo. I like this name. It's easy to remember.
Many people come to SoHo. It's a nice place to walk around.
I can see why. The streets are beautiful here.
Yes, SoHo has nice shops and beautiful old buildings.
I'm so happy to be here. Let's start walking around.
Let's go. Downtown New York is waiting for us.
Sam, look. There are so many coffee shops here.
Yes, coffee shops are everywhere in New York.
Everywhere? Really? I see one on every corner.
Yes, that's true. New Yorkers love coffee. We drink a lot of coffee.
How much coffee do New Yorkers drink?
Many cups every day. Some people drink 3 or 4 cups.
3 or 4 cups? That's a lot of coffee.
Yes, we really love our coffee.
I can see that. Oh, look at that person. They are walking with coffee.
Yes, in New York, people walk and drink coffee at the same time.
Walk and drink at the same time? That's interesting.
Yes, we grab coffee and walk. We don't always sit down in the coffee shop.
Grab coffee. I like that expression. What does grab mean?
Grab means to get something quickly. So grab coffee means to buy coffee quickly.
I see. So you grab coffee and then walk with it.
Exactly. New Yorkers are always busy, so we grab coffee and go.
That's so different from my country. We usually sit and drink slowly.
In New York, people are always moving. We walk and drink.
I think I understand. New Yorkers are very busy people.
Yes, we are, but we still enjoy our coffee.
Do you want to grab coffee now?
Sure. Do you want to grab coffee?
Yes, I want to try walking and drinking like a New Yorker.
Okay, let's grab coffee at this coffee shop.
Perfect. Coffee shops are really everywhere here. I love it.
Yes, you can always find a coffee shop in downtown New York.
This is my first time grabbing coffee in New York. I'm excited.
You'll love it. New York coffee is great.
Sam, wait. This place looks different.
Yes, do you notice the change?
Yes, the signs look different. I can see Chinese letters.
That's right. This is Chinatown.
Chinatown? So many Chinese people live here?
Yes, many people from China live here, and people from other Asian countries too.
The food smells different here. It smells delicious.
Yes, Chinatown has amazing food.
It feels like a completely different place, like a different city.
That's downtown New York. Many cultures are close together.
Many cultures in one city? That's amazing.
Yes, you walk a little and the culture changes.
We were just in SoHo and now we're in Chinatown.
Yes, in downtown New York, different neighborhoods are very close.
That's so interesting. I love this about New York.
Me too. That's why I love living here.
Oh, I can see street food. What is that?
That's a food stand. They sell street food.
Street food? Food you eat on the street?
Yes, exactly. You buy it and eat it while you walk.
Chinatown has a lot of street food, right?
Yes, Chinatown has a lot of street food. It's very popular.
It smells so good. Can we try some street food?
Of course, street food is a big part of Chinatown.
What kind of street food do they have?
Many kinds. Dumplings, noodles, rice dishes, and more.
I want to try the dumplings.
Good choice. The dumplings here are delicious.
I love this. Many people, many cultures, and delicious street food.
Yes, downtown New York is special because of the different cultures.
I can see many people from different countries here.
Yes, that's what makes New York so interesting.
Thank you for bringing me to Chinatown, Sam.
You're welcome. I'm glad you like it. We walked south for a while, and now we're near Wall Street.
Wall Street? I've heard of Wall Street before.
Yes, Wall Street is very famous around the world.
Sam, everyone is walking so fast here.
Yes, this is Wall Street. Many office workers work here.
Office workers? They all look very busy.
Yes, downtown is very busy. People walk fast because they are busy.
They walk so fast, I can't keep up with them.
Yes, New Yorkers walk fast. It's normal here.
Why do they walk so fast?
Because they have meetings. They have work to do. Time is important here.
Walk fast. That's very New York, isn't it?
Yes, it is. Walking fast is a New York thing.
I see so many people in suits.
Yes, people who work here are always in a hurry.
Does everyone work here?
Many people work here. This area has many offices.
So these are all office workers going to work?
Yes, or going to meetings, or going to lunch.
Even going to lunch, they walk fast?
Yes, in New York, we do everything fast.
I see. Office workers walk fast because downtown is busy.
Exactly. You understand New York now.
I'm learning, but I need to walk faster to live here.
Don't worry, we are not office workers today. We can walk slowly.
That's good. I like walking slowly and looking at everything.
Me too. When I'm not working, I like to walk slowly.
It's nice to see the busy side of New York.
Yes, this is the real New York. Busy and exciting.
I love it. Even though it's so busy, it's exciting.
I'm glad you think so. Let's keep walking.
Oh my, is that a bridge?
Yes, that's the Brooklyn Bridge. It's very famous.
The Brooklyn Bridge. I know this bridge. It's so famous.
Yes, many people come to see this bridge.
I've seen pictures of this bridge many times.
And now you can see it with your own eyes.
It's more beautiful than I expected. It's amazing.
I agree. The Brooklyn Bridge is beautiful.
Can we walk on the bridge?
Yes, we can walk on this bridge. Many people walk across it.
Really? We can walk on such a famous bridge?
Yes, the Brooklyn Bridge is famous, and you can walk on it.
That's wonderful. In my country, you can't walk on most bridges.
Here, walking on the bridge is very popular.
Where does the bridge go?
It goes to Brooklyn. Brooklyn is another part of New York.
So we can walk from Manhattan to Brooklyn?
Yes, exactly. Many people walk across every day.
How long does it take to walk across?
About 30 minutes. It's a nice walk.
I want to take pictures. Can I take pictures here?
Of course. Everyone takes pictures of this bridge.
The view is so beautiful. I want to take many pictures.
Take your time. This is a good place for pictures.
Look at the water and the buildings. Everything is beautiful.
Yes, you can see Manhattan and Brooklyn from the bridge.
Thank you. This bridge is so beautiful. I'm happy I can walk here.
The Brooklyn Bridge is one of my favorite places to visit in downtown New York.
I can see why. It's amazing. I understand why you love it.
On a clear day like today, the view is perfect.
Let me take more pictures. I want to remember this moment.
Of course, take as many pictures as you want.
My friends will be so happy to see these pictures.
I'm sure they will. The Brooklyn Bridge is famous everywhere.
Thank you for bringing me here, Sam. This is the best part of the day.
You're welcome. I knew you would love it.
Sam, what time is it? The sky is getting dark.
It's evening now. The sun is going down.
We walked a lot today. My feet are tired.
We walked a lot. Are you okay?
I'm tired, but I'm having so much fun. I don't want to stop.
I'm glad you're enjoying downtown New York.
I'm enjoying it so much. This is a wonderful day.
The evening is a nice time in New York, too.
Look, there are still so many people walking.
Yes, it's after work now. People are going home.
After work, so these people finished work.
Yes, they worked all day, and now they are going home.
In the evening, office workers go home.
Yes, exactly. This is rush hour.
Rush hour? What is rush hour?
Rush hour is the busy time when everyone goes home from work.
I see. So rush hour is in the evening.
Yes, and also in the morning when people go to work.
But downtown is still busy. I thought it would be quieter.
No, downtown is still busy in the evening.
Still busy, even after work?
Yes, downtown New York is always busy. Morning, afternoon, and evening.
New York never stops.
That's right. New York is always moving. We call it the city that never sleeps.
The city that never sleeps? I like that name.
Yes, because there is always something happening in New York.
I love that about this city. It's evening, but the city is still alive.
Yes, people are going to restaurants, meeting friends, enjoying the night.
I can see people going into restaurants now.
Yes, evening is a popular time for dinner in New York.
Everything is so exciting here. Even the evening is exciting.
I'm glad you feel that way. New York is a special city.
It really is. I will never forget this day. Sam, thank you so much for today.
You're welcome, Ellie. It was my pleasure.
Did you enjoy today too?
Yes, I did. I enjoyed showing you downtown New York.
Did you enjoy downtown New York?
I always enjoy downtown, but today was special because I was with you.
Thank you. That's very kind.
So, what did you think of downtown New York?
Downtown New York is busy, but it's so fun.
I'm happy you had a good time.
We saw so many things today.
Yes, we did. What do you remember?
Coffee shops, Chinatown, Wall Street, the Brooklyn Bridge.
Yes, downtown has many shops and many people.
And many cultures too. I loved Chinatown.
Yes, that's what makes downtown special.
I loved the street food in Chinatown.
The dumplings were good, right?
So good. I want to eat them again.
You can come back and eat them anytime.
I really enjoyed walking around with you.
Me too. You were a good walking partner.
Downtown New York is a fun place to walk around.
Yes, it is. There's always something interesting to see.
You're right. I want to come back and walk around more.
You should. There's always something new to see.
I didn't see everything today. I need to come back.
Yes, downtown New York is big. You need many days to see everything.
Next time, I will walk faster, like a real New Yorker.
That's the spirit. You'll be a New Yorker soon.
Do you think so?
Yes, you already grab coffee and walk. That's very New York.
That's true. I learned that today.
See? You're learning to be a New Yorker.
Thank you, Sam. Today was my first time in New York City, and it was wonderful.
I'm so glad. Your first time in New York should be special.
It was special, very special. Thank you for everything.
I'm glad. Have a safe trip home, Ellie.
Thank you. I will miss New York.
New York will miss you too. Come back soon.
I will, I promise. Goodbye, Sam.
Goodbye, Ellie.
And goodbye, downtown New York. I will see you again.
Goodbye, Ellie. Come back soon. Downtown New York will be waiting for you.
I can't wait to come back.
How was it? I hope this video helped you enjoy learning English and feel the atmosphere of downtown New York. Now, let me ask today's question one more time. Today's question: what does downtown mean in New York City? The answer was mentioned in the video. Did you find it? If you did, please write your answer in English in the comments section. By practicing English output like this, even with one short sentence, you can improve your English more effectively. On this channel, I share slow and easy English stories to help beginners feel confident and enjoy learning English. If you enjoyed this video, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. I will keep uploading more videos like this, so I hope to see you again in the next one. All right, that's all for today. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.